Here, let me show you. I just simply tap the people I want to remove, like say this guy and this guy, and then AI does the rest for me. Easy, right?
Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Have you guys seen the Galaxy S21 Unpacked from the Samsung event? During the presentation, they showed that Galaxy S21 has this feature that you can actually erase objects from the image that you took. So for example, if you took a picture of someone and on the background, there is a stranger in the background, the Galaxy S21 can actually erase the additional stranger from the background. And when I received my Galaxy S21 and I tried to use that feature, and I was scratching my head, how the hell you use it? You know, because I couldn't see there's an option anywhere, but I finally found out. So I am going to show you how to enable that feature so you can utilize for your creative purpose. So before I show you this feature, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It really does support the channel big time and it doesn't cost you anything. So let's get going and I'll show you how to enable it. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. So turn on your phone and you have to turn on the gallery app right here. And then I choose a photo right here. What you need to do is hit the edit button, which is the pencil right here. Just press that. And then on the top right here, as you can see, there's a three-dot setting button or hidden button. You just click here and then you see right here labs. So press on lab. And then as you see right here, object eraser. So you can actually remove objects, people, and anything else that you don't like from the picture. So like for example, this picture, the kid with the balloon, you can actually erase it like a magic. So all you have to do is just enable it and then go back. So on this picture right here that I've chosen, I took the picture and then as you can see, I do not want the person, let's say I don't want this person in the background right here, the person in red right here. So I can do that. So all I have to do is scroll all the way to the right and then you see this eraser right here. That is actually the object eraser button right here. So if I press that and then all I have to do is choose the object that I do not like. So I don't like this one right here. So I just go and press right here. And then I hit erase. As you can see, the person just magically disappeared. It looks really nice and natural. It doesn't work for all of the pictures, but most pictures it does okay job. So you have to play with it to see if the AI can actually help you erase the objects that you do not want. So you can do more than once. So for example, this lady right here that I do not want in the background as well. So I can just tap on the lady right here. One more time. So once it's selected, I hit erase and ta-da! So it erased it. The two strangers. But as you can see, you can still see the shadows right here. And let me see if I can try to erase the shadow as well. It might work, it might not work. So let's give it a try. Ta-da! So there you go. You see it, it got disappeared. But it does leave some artifacts right here, as you can see. So it's not a perfect thing, but you know, sometimes it might be able to save your pictures that you don't want additional objects or a person that you do not want in the frame. So it's a pretty good handy feature. So when you're done, or let's say you do not want to erase that lady or the shadow, you can actually undo it. So press the back button and back one more time, and then you can actually save it. So I just want to keep this. I think this is fine right here. So if to save, just hit the check mark button right here and hit save, and then you're done. As you can see, everything, it's all erased. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Have you guys seen the Samsung Unpacked for the S21? Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Have you guys seen the Samsung Galaxy S21 Unpacked for Hello everyone, thank you for tuning